way too late. About time somebody set shit straight. Pop out every time shit look great.
A lot of people have been asking and wondering, where is the F30? What have you been doing with the 335? If you have not seen, it has been down with a blown engine, and I bought a used engine for it that was sadly blown. After being scammed on buying the used engine, decided we are going to rebuild the engine, and that's what you'll see in this video, fully restoring the engine and the rest of the F30 in this video.
Yeah, working that stick out the back of the truck, get feisty.
Trying to not remove the cams to remove the M55 head, getting all the head bolts out right now. The blown motor I was sold to months ago for the M55, finally taking the head off of it, getting a look inside of it. Those had shavings all inside of them. Bearing, as you saw on the crank, did not look good on the 6-cylinder. This engine is no good.
Hey, calm down everybody. Smooth stones. Okay. Not broken. Now we got the block hole. We're gonna go ahead and clean this block up. So we're gonna get this block all washed up. The reason why I run it so long, base cylinders are a little bit weird. I'm not sure if they were egg shaped, so that's why I ran it a little bit long in each cylinder by holding it that much so I can see if something is going on. Might give us a little indication if the block is warped or not, or the cylinder is warped, not the block itself. We use these when we finish to verify the block is clean.
Sometimes it be true when she texting my phone about bitches. Who told you I did that shit? She say my intuition's like it. Damn, she right, getting hit right now. Thank God the windows tinted. Pop out, paint the city, number members in attendance. About this pendant, bro, gon' shoot something like he cold Benny.
Swift said we should have burned this down months ago.
Big flick, walk them down, walk. Now you trending. I see all those shots, them niggas throwing they indirect though. Fuck my baby mama, she still mad about my ex-ho. Soon as I pop this ex-ho, I'ma be looking for my next hoe. Like any minute, money more. Now she got the best though. Flamingo, rappers think on this we meet, they get a verse for free. No sir, hey when business get personal, pay the standard fee. Right now, bitches think on this we fuck, they get a purse from me. She like I know you see me call, why you been weird to me? I dinner cook, come get you some, it's plentiful lot. When I say quickie, let's hurry up, that mean I'm in a rush. Real street niggas spit on that before we finna fuck back. She said push like plain Jane, you know that I'm finna bust it down, baby. White and rose, AP, look like cream cheese. Your advice on what I spend is what I do.
That's it.
Oh, shit. Yeah. I know he's nervous all week, bro.
It's getting
hot in here.
As you see, the F30 is almost back right where I got scammed on a blown N55. And the engine completely rebuilt now. Just had to put the oil pickup tube, the oil pan, the valve cover, slap on the turbo and little accessories like that. So do the rear main seal and put on the transmission. A new ZF8 that I got for the F30 since I took the other one and put it on my N54, the $1,000 335i. Yeah, let's go ahead and get the rest of these parts put on here. I'm excited to see how the engine starts. Finally got an M Sport bumper to match the rear M Sport, so the car is officially back to an M Sport car after having the M2 bumper and all. The M3 bumper, then the M2 bumper. We're back to the original M Sport bumper and the car is back to an M Sport. Just need to drop it off to get it painted and waiting on some grills to come in for the bottom.
I'm driving this race, they about to put me on suicide watch. Can't choose what color I'm feeling today. Thank God it's a two-tone watch. He don't like what I'm doing, he probably have said that he'll never do somebody. My big brother like Marshawn Lynch, he'll run through somebody. Shit, it caught me on a bad day. I'm so perfect, it blew my headspace. The driver goes straight to the staircase. How could I ever be late to the airplane? These Japanese gummers is handmade. Nobody cover this shit that I can't see. I take the big bad one. I cannot help it, cause I'm like Batman. But he can go ahead and crash out. Soon as he find me, let's see how it pan out.
Put the flywheel on there, reset the timing, oil pan, valve cover on, put the turbo on, other little accessories, and we'll be ready to have it dropped in the F30. Finally, N55 is completely rebuilt. Cannot wait to get it started. How much you would be actually ordering merch? Picking up the Vanos, about to drop them in the N55. We just put the oil filter housing on. Not gonna f it up and miss a gasket like Split. Clean the valve cover, new valve cover gasket on there. Big turbo coming soon.
My big brother like Marshawn Lynch, he'll run through somebody.
Fuck your bitch in the clique you claim. West side when we ride, come equipped with game.
Yo, you gotta get your spread up.